Hello friends, welcome to this channel. Hope you all are doing well. Today we are here to summarize another amazing book, and the book name is How to Crack Your Exams with Flying Colors, and the author of this book is Mr. Prasanta Dangoria. So let's get started. This book delves into the art of mastering exam writing, offering a comprehensive guide for students to excel in their examinations. It addresses common challenges such as exam anxiety, time management, and concentration, providing practical strategies to overcome these obstacles. The book also emphasizes the importance of maintaining both mental and physical health through techniques like yoga and a structured daily routine. Additionally, it covers effective study and revision method that ensure students can retrieve and apply knowledge efficiently during exams. Aimed at empowering students, this guide equipped them with the tools necessary to achieve outstanding results in any academic test. Before we start the summary, here I want to introduce our author first. He is a remarkable individual with a diverse set of skills and experiences. He wears many hats in life. He is a mind coach, a talented writer, a savvy entrepreneur, and even an award-winning journalist. The book How to Crack Your Exam with Flying Colors marks his debut in the world of publishing. The author classified this book into various chapters. We will discuss one by one. Chapter 1: Overcoming Exam Anxiety. This chapter addresses the prevalent issue of exam anxiety among students and outlines effective strategies for managing and mitigating it to enhance exam performance. It begins by defining exam anxiety as the intense stress and fear that can impede academic performance, manifesting both physically and mentally. The key points of this chapter are preparation and planning, emphasizing through preparation as a primary method to reduce anxiety. This includes organizing study materials, setting a realistic study schedule, and becoming familiar with the exam format. The second technique is relaxation techniques, introducing techniques such as deep breathing, meditation, and progressive muscles relaxation to help calm the mind and body before and during the exams. Positive visualization and 3 affirmations, encouraging students to visualize successful outcomes and use positive affirmations to boost confidence and transform anxiety into a motivational tool. Mock exams and simulation, suggesting that students undertake practice exams under timed conditions to get accustomed to the pressure and format for the actual exam. The next technique is seeking support, recommending talking to peers, counselors, or educators about their anxieties, which can elevate feelings of isolation and stress. By implementing these strategies, students can control their exam anxiety, leading to improved focus, better time management, and ultimately higher exam scores. This chapter serves as a foundational guide to help students transform anxiety from a crippling focus into an empowering element. Chapter 2 of this book, Mastering Time Management. This chapter emphasizes the critical role of time management in achieving academic success. Particularly during exam preparations, it outlines essential techniques and strategies that help students optimize their study time and reduce stress. So how can we manage our time? First of all, settling goals. It begins with the importance of setting clear, measurable, and achievable goals for study sessions. This approach helps students focus their efforts and monitor their progress. Creating a study schedule. The chapter advocates for developing a detailed study plan that allocates time efficiently among various subjects based on their difficulty and the student's proficiency. It also highlights the importance of including regular breaks to enhance concentration and avoid burnout. Prioritization of tasks. Students are taught to prioritize their tasks using tools like the Eisenhower box, which helps distinguish urgent tasks from important ones, ensuring that priority is given to activities that efficiently impact their exam performance. The next technique is dealing with distractions. Strategies to minimize distractions are discussed, such as as creating a dedicated study environment and using technology wisely to maintain focus. Review and adjust. The chapter also includes with the advice to regularly assess and adjust the study plan based on effectiveness and changing needs, ensuring the most efficient use of time leading up to exams. By mastering these time management skills, students are better equipped to handle the pressures of exam preparation, leading to improved performance and lower level of stress. This chapter provides a comprehensive framework for students to not only manage their study time more effectively but also to enhance their overall academic discipline. Chapter 3 includes enhancing writing speed. This chapter addresses the often overlooked but crucial aspect of writing speed in exams. It provides students with strategies and practices to improve their ability to write quickly and effectively, ensuring that they can complete exam questions within the allotted time without sacrificing the quality of their answers. This chapter begins by explaining how writing speed can directly impact exam performance, particularly in easy-based or long answer exams where time constraints are significant. Students are introduced to various techniques to increase their writing speed, including the first one is handwriting practice. Regularly practicing handwriting to improve legibility and speed. Typing skills for students taking digital exams, improving typing speed through specific exercises and softwares. The chapter emphasizes the importance of structuring answers effectively. It teaches how to outline answers quickly before writing to organize thoughts and ensure that responses are focused. Practice under timed conditions. Encouraging regular practice of writing essays or answering long questions within a set time limit to simulate exam conditions and improve time management. Physical comfort and ergonomics. Highlighting the role of physical comfort in writing speed. This chapter suggests ergonomic practices such as the correct sitting posture and using suitable writing implements that can help maintain speed over extended periods. By the end of this chapter, students are equipped with the knowledge and tools to enhance their writing speed, which is vital for excelling in exam where extensive writing is required. The strategies provided help students manage their exam time more effectively, allowing them to express their knowledge fully and within the time constraints. Managing stress and staying calm. This chapter delves into the crucial aspect of stress management during exams. It provides students with practical strategies to stay calm and focused, ultimately enhancing their performance under pressure. This chapter begins by explaining the psychological and physiological impacts of stress on exam performance, including how it can affect memory, concentration, and overall mental agility. Students are introduced to various stress reduction techniques that can be incorporated into their daily routines as well as used specifically during exams, such as breathing exercise, simple and effective breathing exercise that help control panic and maintain calm during stressful situations. Mindfulness and meditation. This strategy developing a regular mindfulness practice that can enhance mental resilience and focus. Minimize stress. The importance of through preparations as a means to reduce stress is emphasized. This includes understanding the exam format, practicing on past papers, and having a clear revision plan. Creating a positive exam day routine. It says that guidance on how to establish a calming routine on the day of the exam to reduce anxiety. This might include a light exercise session, listening to soothing music, or practicing visualization techniques. Dealing with anxiety during the exam. Practical tips for handling sudden bouts of anxiety while in the exam room, such as taking short breaks to breathe deeply, stretching lightly without disturbing others, and maintaining positive self-talk to boost confidence. By mastering the techniques discussed in this chapter, students can significantly reduce their stress levels during exams. which not only improves their cognitive functions but also enhances their overall exam performance. This chapter aims to equip students with the tools needed to approach exams with a composed and confident mindset. Effective revision techniques. This chapter explores various effective revision techniques that can help students retain information better and prepare thoroughly for their exams. It highlights methods tailored to different learning styles, ensuring that each student can find a strategy that works best for them. The chapter emphasizes the importance of active recall in studying, explaining how testing oneself on the material rather than passive reading leads to better retention. Techniques such as flashcards, practice tests, and oral quizzes are discussed. Spaced repetition. Students are introduced to the concept of spaced repetition, a study method that involves reviewing information at increasing intervals to embed it deeply into long-term memory. The chapter explains how to use spaced repetition software or scheduling techniques to enhance this process. Mind mapping. The benefits of visual learning tools like mind maps are detailed. Mind mapping helps in organizing complex information in a structured way, making it easier to recall during exams. Optimizing health for exam success. This chapter underscores the importance of maintaining both physical and mental health to enhance academic performance, particularly during exam period. It provides actionable advice on how students can nurture their well-being to ensure they are in the best possible condition to face their exams. Emphasizes the role of nutrition in brain function. It guides students on what to eat during revision period and before exam to boost cognitive abilities and energy levels. Foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, antioxidants, and proteins are recommended for their brain enhancing properties. Discusses the benefits of regular physical activity in reducing stresses, improving mood, and increasing energy levels. Specific exercises such as yoga and cardio workouts are suggested to help students manage exam-related anxiety. To maintain overall health, stresses the critical importance of getting enough sleep, particularly during exam preparations. It explains how sleep plays a vital role in memory consolidation and mental clarity and offers tips for establishing a healthy sleep routine. So this book provides a comprehensive guide to mastering exam writing, offering students effective strategies for overcoming anxiety, managing time, enhancing writing speed, and improving overall exam performance. It emphasizes the importance of maintaining both mental and physical health through structured routine and stress management techniques. With practical advice on active learning, revision methods, and long-term academic strategies, it equips students to excel not just in exams but in their broader educational journey. By adopting the approaches detailed throughout the book, students can transform their exam challenges into opportunities for significant personal and academic growth. Ultimately, this guide serves as an invaluable resource for students aiming to achieve peak performance and developing lifelong learning skills. So I hope you all liked the content, the summary. We try to convey the author's message to all the listeners. If you like the video, please do comment, and if you want to read this book physically in detail, we can provide you the Amazon purchasing link in the comment section. You may buy from there as well. So till then, take care, keep reading, keep learning. Thank you.